Hello everyone, this is James Cha, CPA Certified Tax Resolution Specialist, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to talk about some big news from the IRS of some major changes coming to IRS enforcement. Specifically, I want to cover the IRS's plans to boost auditor hiring by 55% just in 2024, as well as their part of sending out back tax collection notices. Let's start with the staffing increase. During the fiscal year 2024, the IRS has a goal of hiring additional auditors, which represents a 55% jump above their current auditing headcount. They aim to focus these new hires on conducting more audits of high-income individuals and some business entities. The goal here is, of course, to generate more revenue through improved audit coverage to help fund the overall operations of the agency. With this major ramp-up in auditors on board, the IRS will be able to conduct more audits and assess more unpaid taxes. Now on to collection notices. As many of you may recall, during the height of the pandemic in 2020, the IRS stopped most automated collection activities, with the exception of continued enforcement by revenue officers. They resumed some collection efforts briefly before again pausing the mailing of reminder notices. However, initial balance due notices like CP14 and CP1ST1 were still issued. This temporary cease in collection notifications led to the misunderstanding that unpaid taxes would not be pursued, as the lack of IRS enforcement on tax debts has impacted collections over recent years, as evidenced by the number of taxpayers owing back taxes steadily rising. In late 2023, the IRS has restarted automated collection notifications. Individual taxpayers with outstanding 2022 taxes and businesses with third quarter 2023 balances will begin receiving reminder notices. Then, a brand new special reminder will also go out starting in January 2024. Additionally, the IRS plans to resume sending past due reminders for prior tax years beginning in February. Let's discuss some key details about the new LT38 collection notice. The LT38 notice is specifically targeting taxpayers who currently have a balance owed on their 2021 taxes or earlier years, and are in what's called the automated collection system status with the IRS. The IRS started sending out LT38s in January 2024 to both individual and business taxpayers. This letter informs recipients that the IRS will begin enforcement actions if a payment agreement is not set up or balances paid in full. Such actions could include bank levies, wage garnishment, passport holds, or tax liens. If no response is received after the initial LT38, the IRS will continue collection efforts by issuing additional notices. As collection notices ramp up once more, taxpayers can expect stepped-up collection enforcement from the IRS, including increased tax liens and levies. In rare cases, asset seizures may also occur. For 2024, passport restrictions by the IRS will be limited to taxpayers with seriously delinquent tax debts in excess of the $62,000 threshold. Taxpayers experiencing financial hardship can submit financial documentation to the IRS showing their inability to pay. This may qualify them for uncollectible status or a settlement through the Offer in Compromise program, which are options for a small number of taxpayers. The first step to take is getting compliance with the IRS. To be in compliance, taxpayer has to file 2023 tax returns and start to make estimated payment for 2024. I hope this information was helpful for understanding some of the options available when dealing with resumed IRS collection notices. Please remember to always consult a qualified tax professional to discuss your unique financial situation and eligibility for alternative payment arrangements or settlements. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tax updates and analysis. Let me know topics to cover related to the IRS or tax law changes. Feel free to ask questions in comments. I enjoy engaging with viewers to determine useful topics. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content and have a great rest of your day.
Our certified tax resolution specialist at ACE Plus Tax Resolution has more than 30 years of experience in dealing with the IRS. Our firm helps individual and business taxpayers resolve their tax problems with the IRS and 50 states through custom-fit solutions. So we can help you wherever you are in the US. If you have any tax problems, please contact us. Our information is below. And don't forget to click the subscribe button to our channel down below so you don't miss our timely videos with valuable information and advice.